Hey guys, Tyler from Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about this lifetime warranty wheel bearing from Kryptonite. So let's talk application. We're going to have these wheel bearings available for the 01 to 19 GM 2500 or 3500s and the 99 to 16 Ford F250 and F350s. When running oversized tires or wheels with a lot of negative offset, what's happening is it's putting a lot of pressure on that stock wheel bearing, and that's eventually going to lead to premature failure. Kryptonite's wheel bearings are one of the best replacements you could find on the market that are designed to handle higher stress from bigger tires and bigger wheels. These are also going to help you reduce the deflection of your hub face, which is going to give you better braking and handling, and it's also going to help improve your steering accuracy and behavior. Each wheel bearing is going to come with 8 new wheel studs and brand new ABS brake sensors. And don't worry, if you need a new spindle O-ring or need to replace those spindle bolts, check out the product page here and make sure you select the items that you need before checkout. And last but not least, Kryptonite has been rocking these things on their personal trucks for years, and they trust these things to the max, and that is why they have a no fine print lifetime warranty. If you're interested in these Kryptonite wheel bearings and you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, Pacific Standard Time. You could also reach us by email or chats on the site. We are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.